Hey bafethu, criminal justice system yethu liqaqa kanje lento ongazuyazi into yoba yasungelwa ngubani, isungelwa ntoni, iyathungeleka nje right now. Niyakhumbula April 2022 kubanjwa uAdvocate Tifo ebanjwa ngaphakathi ecourt ke phofu ebhizi ngecase kaSenzo Meyiwa. Senzo Meyiwa lo wayeyigoalkeeper yePirates okwabonakala into yoba uye wabulawa waduyulwa eduyulwa evizithele ubaby mama uKelly Khumalo kwiside laseFosloras. Case leyo eyathatha iminyaka bana namhlanje case yakhona ingekafanalize abafowethu. Case nje yenza izimanga uve nje into zethusa ukubona icase iphekwa nje ubone ba le case yaphekwa hayi indaba okudlala. Icase angiqala ukuva ngayo mina kuthiwa bekhona icase enamadokethe amabili. Detha ngecase eyi1 kuthiwa enamadokethe amabili icase. Uve kusithiwa icase inama suspects a different kulamadokethe amabili. Bafowethu disayida mfanekiso ngqondweni uAdvocate Tifo engena amapolisa ezomthatha ngaphakathi ecourt. Hayibo ndinemfanekiso ngqondweni kaAdvocate Mshololo ezama ukubuza into yoba ubanjelwani wenzeni kwayena Advocate Tifo lowo ebuza into yoba ndibanjelwani. What are the charges? Bangamcengi. Hayibo uAdvocate Mshololo ndiyambona bafethu ezama ukuphutha qoqa izinto zika Advocate Tifo engaphakathi kodwa hayibo ngizayifaka ivideo yakhona phe egqibeleni mhla kubanjwe uAdvocate Tifo. Yayimasikizi into yakhona bafethu. Hayibo yayiqaqamba inhliziyo yami. Wabanjwa uAdvocate Tifo for ixesha futhi ixesha nje lide ethocharwa. Hayibo waphuma uAdvocate Tifo wadibhara uAdvocate Tifo as iadvocate as igqwetha. Hayi bafowethu ichithiwe icase kaAdvocate Tifo. Whatever wayeyibanjelwe, whatever ezo charges zaziphekiwe kwakuzizo bafowethu ziwithdrawile zonke ezo charges ezamoshela ikamva lakhe for iminyaka emingaka uAdvocate Tifo. Bafowethu uAdvocate Tifo ngomnye wabantu abaqala ukuveza lamanyundululu oba icriminal justice system yethu ipheka kanjani ama case. Ubuqhophololo benzeka kwaSAPS ezinye zezinto saqala ukuziva ngoAdvocate Tifo. Bafowethu ziwithdrawile zonke i-charges beke nazo about 6. Uba ngaba izawuthini into yakhe because wastroke off i-role yasemagqotheni. Will he now have to go back ayo re-enroll aqale phansi? Will he now be suing the state? I mean nje ngento nje zobudedengu ngento zangamabomu. Bafethu andazi nakwenzekani but ndinayo nje into endipha ithemba yoba loba kuyalunga kancinci kwi-criminal justice system yethu. Aba bebebhizi besenzana nobuqhophololo bezizigebengu bezidisguise in uniform bayabe exposeka right now. Abantu babebambe uTifo, abantu babepheke lo case leyo bonke. Bafethu siyafuna ukwazi amagama akhona ba la case yaphekwa ngubani, kwenzekani kula case. Ngeke bafethu ndiyilibale into yenzeka kuye. Bafowethu ndikhumbula futhi elinye legqwetha wayeclose no Advocate laze latshona. Indlela endandibhlungu ngayo ndibona uAdvocate Tifo esiya ekwenza ispeech ngomncebo wakhe colleague yakhe leya. Bafethu ibhlungu man yazi like hey it's just that xa ababantu umuntu xa efuna ukukumoshela ikamva lakho efuna ukukumoshela ifuture yakho efuna ukukumoshela icareer yakho uvele acinge apha duze angabi nandaba after so many years. Yes zikhona ezinye izinto uAdvocate Tifo mina endingavumelani naye ngazo ukuba zikhona apho ezaxa ke senza into ndifeel into yoba yabona ke ngokule into ingathi uyangila. But if there's anyone who first exposed the criminality amongst amaphoyisa wethu it was him by moshi career yakhe. Advocate Tifo, it's never too late. Ndiyakhalela into yoba right now aphindele back la because isiphuo sakhe lanto. Bafethu xa omnye umuntu futhi ongam-understand xa kethetha ne wayengazacingela into bingathi uyahlanya. Kanti hayibo uyayazi lento ayithetha ngayo. uAdvocate Tifo ebefunda i-affidavit ezi-different sizibuza uba kungani le affidavit okuthiwa yikalongwe thwala nje akayifunda yakathi yakhe ibhalwe ngabo olongwe thwala sibe sibuza uba kanti kutheni ngekho sedokethini. Ezinye zezinto saziva ngayo Advocate Tifo. Hayi bafethu ukhohlakele. Bakhohlakele abantu. Hayi bafethu bakhohlakele yazi abantu. sengathi angaqala phansi apho washiya khona. Talente yakhe leya. And ininzi into simdingela yona into yoba kulungiswe i-criminal justice system yethu. Congratulations, Advocate Tiff. Uxole ndoda. Qala apho awuyeke khona. La migulukudu ebizama ukuprosecutor wena. Let it be game on for one. The gloves should be off. It's your turn now to prosecute them.
But are the arresting after you must investigate the risk?
Now I'm arresting him again. I was not given a time.
But why are you waiting for this case?
Why you waited until this time? Because I was not given time frame.
Yeah, but all this time you should have investigated him.
It's fine. We'll deal with that. At court. We must not here.
Why all along?
No, I'm not.
You phoned to?
I'm not yet.
You phoned to? You phoned about what? Wait.
No, let's go, man. We are not yet negotiate. Why should we negotiate with you?
So now you're becoming fiscal?
No, I'm not becoming fiscal. Let's go. If you want us to use Minam Force, we'll use Minam Force.
No, I want to know from
From January.
Therefore, why are you being arrested? Why are you being arrested?
They arrest me because I'm in this case.
Okay.
That's the reason.
Is this why you're arresting him?
Yeah. Kekit doesn't want me in this case. You see? That's the reason. He's got the warrant of arrest from January. Why he didn't accept?
What are the charges? What are the charges?
I don't know the charges to start with.
Did they tell you the charges when they were handcuffing you?
I don't know the charges.
Have you guys read him his rights?
They never did that. You see?
Have you read him his rights?
That's how they harass
We
me.
can't talk to the media.
That's how they harass me.
Why are you arresting him?
Arresting him.
This media, you must read the rights.
Have you
you
read him
must
his
read the
rights?
Have you read him his rights?
Now I'm leaving my file behind.
You want to go with the fight?
I want to why should I go to the cell? Why should I go to the cell? For what reason?
No, let's go.
You take him to the cell without reading his rights.
You don't read my
It's
rights.
fine. You'll challenge that in court. It's fine, guys.
That's the answer.
I want to keep my file.
How?
And
How is it going to
tell me?
You know, no, let's go. Come on.
It's on my file.
You're injuring me. Let's go.
You're injuring me. You're injuring me.
Don't fight with me.
No, why will you understand? No, they can't do that.
Unpack your goods.
Let me put.
Get about baggage.